Creative mind behind the Sands Jamaica, and Douglas Stewart, the director of the Sands Jamaica, will be unwrapping the perfect holiday gift. Exclusive, you're talking foolishness. Exclusive pajama fashion tips for you and your family this festive season, because we know it's all about those PJ pictures. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right or am I right? Yeah. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
You look so cute. Are they cozy and comfy and warm? No, listen, I love it. It's a whole heap of pressure you're putting on people now, you know.
I love it. It's good pressure because it means that families are coming together in a nice, cool, fun way.
Where did this start, though? Because I'm thinking to myself, we weren't normally, obsessed with pajamas on Christmas morning.
Not necessarily, but, with the explosion of technology and boundaries are shrinking, so it's easy now to adapt trends. But even more importantly, it's a fun, cool way to add to your Christmas tradition, right? So, it's here and it's here to stay.
Yeah, I love it. No, I love it. Douglas, talk to me now, because oftentimes these things are considered to be something of a feminine touch. I know the men are also joining in on this as well.
Yes.
So when wifey said to you, listen, we're going to pajamas this year, how did that work out?
Well, it was a no-brainer. I had no choice. Right? We started a few years ago.
Yeah.
And when we did the first shipment of pajamas, the overwhelming support, my support, I was immediately, sold on this. Mm-hmm. So it was a no-brainer for me.
Yeah.
So every year we do a regular photo shoot. This year we have now increased the line and the different styles. So this is just a testament of the different styles and the support that I'm able to offer.
Yeah, because we're realizing as well that in addition to the styles, and I'll get to the styles in a second, you have sizes for the babies as well, starting as young as what age?
0 to 3 months for the young baby. And then guess what? We do custom the PJs. So if you find that it's a little bit big here or you want it altered, we do facilitate
So you alter them as well?
Yes, we do.
Okay, all right. So let's talk now about the design. So we're seeing one right now on the screen of a cute little baby. Oh my gosh, it's not a present, it's not a doll, it's an actual baby. Absolutely cute. The styles though, because they're so varied, and for the men as well, gentlemen, sometimes they don't want too much fancy, fussy stuff on that. So how do you go about selecting the different styles?
Well, I kind of try to, I gauge my choices based on what the feedback from Douglas.
Yeah.
He's into it, but took some amount of courage.
Of course, yes.
And so we know the men will participate, but some men don't like the excitement. So we try to give you a wide variety that will basically cater to anybody, regardless of your preference.
Right. And the most popular styles, what are they?
I would say the buffalo plaid.
Okay.
The red and black buffalo plaid. That's a all-time bestseller.
Right, for sure.
So we've expanded what we're offering in terms of the plaid, and now we're offering the green and black,
yes,
which is a good addition.
Oh, I love the green and black. I have to get myself one of those. Those are nice. And you have the satin finish as well.
And we have the satin finish, and we have it in a variety of colors, and we have the short sleeve, we have it long sleeve, we have it in black, green, white, champagne.
Yeah.
So we are catering for the needs of basically everybody in the household.
Jamie, what I love about pajamas is that, you're going to find something to suit your body type.
Yes.
Because a lot of times you're thinking to yourself, I don't want to show it here and I don't want to show it there. So how do you advise the customers?
It just depends on what you want. Some persons like it snug fit, some persons want it loose fit. So I try to, again, have a variety of style and sizes that will cater to any body type.
I love that. All right, so we hear that there's a photo competition coming up. It's an annual photo competition.
Yes.
Okay, Douglas, tell us about it.
Well, it started, we based on the overwhelming support, and we said, in the spirit of giving back.
Yes.
Right? We said, how can we give back? And we said, okay, we wanted the males as to participate, so we wanted to be a family-oriented competition as well. So we said, all right, let us get prizes that males would want. So we have weekends at the hotels. We have overseas trips. In previous years, we have had different vouchers, spa dates, stuff like that. So yes.
So hold on, no man, Douglas. Hold on, give me a second, because I'm not here mapping out my photo, you know, right? So
Yes.
for first place, get what? The getaway
The
trip.
family getaway.
Yes.
The
To
family
where? Where am I going? Because I'm claiming this win already. So where, where am I going? Yeah.
So it's up to you.
Okay.
So we have a price package and it's valued at a certain amount and you tell us where you want to go.
Okay.
And then we do the logistics in the background for you.
And I'm going to assume then that the hotel is for the second place winner, right?
No man,
No?
The first place gets
Get
the family getaway.
All right, love that. Okay, and then the second place person is getting goodies as well.
And gift vouchers.
All
yes.
right, and third place?
It's the same price offering for second and third place.
Ooh, okay.
Right.
All right, so give me the competition guidelines. What are you looking for?
So all you have to do is submit your photos in your matching PJs, send it to us via our Instagram page, dsans_Jamaica, and then you share our page, get persons to like. You will also need to be
Right.
following our page, and the photo with the most likes. So we're basically giving back.
And you
We're
have
not
to-
asking for more, but you
the
have
PJs
to.
have to be from the Sands.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
All right. And then the deadline for entry is?
It's December 31st.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So you have all this time.
All the time.
All this time
Because
now.
Debbie, nobody not going to drop the family photo before Christmas.
No,
We
no,
know
no,
this,
because
right?
Christmas they were occupied.
And then you have some persons who would be very busy and probably didn't get a chance to do the photo shoot. So we're giving you a little bit of time
Yeah.
so you can submit your photo by the 31st of December.
I love that. And I know right now persons, they want to order. So tell them where they should go to get the pajamas.
So you order on our Instagram page, dsans_Jamaica. You can call 570-2473 and then you can order online. It's very seamless. It's https://dsans_Jamaica.company.site. You can pay via PayPal or we facilitate bank transfer.
Yeah.
And if you want to pay in person, then we facilitate that as well. We're not a traditional brick and mortar operation as yet, but we must say thank you to the Bridget Sandals family. They have been gracious to us from the onset. They provided us with the platform to just position ourselves and get the visibility. And we're there every year.
Yeah.
Up to the end of December. So if you want to purchase in person so you can look, touch, feel, we are on location at Bridget Sandals.
Yes, no, I love that. And for the persons thinking, my God, the pajama, them look like them warm though, like them hot, and Jamaica already hot already. So tell them please, because I'm thinking and I'm feeling it, it's not.
It's not.
thick.
It's not. And it's light and nice and cool and comfy. You feel the material and you will fall in love.
So you can wear it again in the summertime.
Yes. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Congratulations on the business.
Thank you.
Kiddies,
Thank
you
you.
love it? Yeah. Give it a big thumbs up for me. A big, big thumbs up. There we go. Tell everybody Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Douglas.
And
Thank you
thanks for
so
having
much,
us.
Thank you for
Nabil.
having me.
Thank you, guys, the creative minds behind the Sands Jamaica, Douglas and Danielle, the directors at the Sands Jamaica. More to come when we return. Stay with us. I love it. I love them.